Hey friends, it's John, the Carnivore teacher. I want to say something that shocks a lot of people these days. I don't take a single drug. No statins, no antidepressants, no blood pressure meds, no painkillers, no prescriptions, period. Not because I'm lucky, not because I'm young, and not because I'm avoiding doctors. I simply don't need them because I eat the way humans are supposed to eat. Most modern drugs treat symptoms of a broken lifestyle. Here's the truth. Most of the medications people are on today are just band-aids for problems caused by modern diets and lifestyles. High blood pressure, usually caused by insulin resistance, sugar, seed oils, and chronic inflammation. Statins, they don't fix the root cause. They just alter your numbers on a lab test. And we don't want low cholesterol because cholesterol does wonderful things for the body. Antidepressants, a sad diet, and sick gut affect your serotonin far more than most people realize. Painkillers, if you are inflamed, overweight, and undernourished, of course you're in pain. These drugs don't cure anything. They just mask symptoms while your real problem keeps getting worse. Carnivore helps the body heal, so medications become unnecessary. So let's talk about what happens when people switch to carnivore, the proper human diet. You remove all the garbage. You stop eating the sugar, the seed oils, the gut-destroying fiber, and the inflammation that are plant toxins. You fuel your body with bioavailable nutrition, meat, fat, salt, and guess what? Your body starts to fix itself. Blood pressure normalizes, blood sugar stabilizes, chronic pain disappears, mental clarity and emotional resilience return. And over time, with your doctor's supervision, you often find that you can reduce or completely eliminate your medications because you're finally healing, not just managing disease. I live life without drugs, and you can too. I'm 100% drug-free, not because I'm superhuman, but because I eat like a human. This way of life doesn't just add years to your life, it adds life to your years. No side effects, no pharmacy lines, no dependence on pills to function. And I've seen this happen over and over again with people in the carnivore community. Doctors are shocked when patients come off meds. But it's not a miracle, it's biology working the way it's supposed to. So, you weren't born broken. You weren't born needing a medicine cabinet just to get through the day. You were designed to thrive, drug-free, when you give your body the right fuel. If this video gave you a new perspective, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the truth in a world full of lies. And please share this by clicking that share button, sending it to different social media sites to someone who you think needs to hear it. Oh, and if you want the whole story, check out my book, The Carnivore Teacher, now available on Amazon and Audible. I break all of this down in more detail and tell a story of how you can break free too. Thank you for watching. Stay strong. Stay carnivore. Have a great day.